Reward Raja application. It's a earning app, and today we teach you how to earn from this app. It's a Reward Raja app, and this is the icon. Okay, when we open Reward Raja app, then there have some term and conditions like privacy and policy, and same things happen with all apps. Okay, so you don't worry, you can accept. Okay, when you can proceed there, proceed term and condition. There have like if you have a referral code, then you apply this, and you have a referral code, then it's optional. Okay, and one more thing, if you talk about how to registration this app, then they have no any hard thing. If you simple, you have a Gmail account, then you can log in. Okay, when we log in with my Gmail account, as you can see, I earn 200 points, and this is the dashboard of Rewo- Reward Raja application, and they have four criteria like share and earn, claim points, earn reward, and profile. If you come in profile section, it's your profile. They have two things. If you want to close, log out, and delete account. If you want to delete, then you click and delete account. If you want to log out, then you can log out. Okay, they have lots of earning opportunities like earn and play. If you earn and play, you can earn 2 and 5 rupees per minute, and they have a game color tab. Tap on different color and earn points. Okay, and they have some way to quick reward like if you join this YouTube channel, then you can get 10 points. If you join Telegram channel, then you get 10 points. If you join Playtime channel, then you get 10 points. And give away for 10 points. Apples offer one 10 points. And if you can see, they have two options: all offers and scan QR. If you talk about how can work about scan QR. If you have a sufficient point like 1000 coin above, then you can use this scan QR. If you have a QR code, then open your scanner and scan any QR code and paste anyone in quickly. It's a very good, and it's a very quickly. Okay, and if you talk about all offers, okay, if you talk about all offers, then as you can see, there are lots of earning opportunity, not one and two. And it's if you want to know how much time it's offer take, then definitely I say you they have only take 2 and 3 minutes, and you can do very easily. Like phone pay UPI recharge, it take 2 minutes, and work India app, it take 2 and 3 minutes, and it's my opinion. If you take quickly task and do quickly, then stock grow is the best option because whenever is stock grow task is available, you should do because it's a very easy. You earn 200 coins, you win 2 rupees in only single minute. Okay, as you can see, they have lots of opportunities. Okay, and if you go in very under section, then they have a Zipto like Upstore. and it's a financial app, so you can earn one 150 rupees in single task. Okay, and they have some very easy task and they have some hard task. If you talk about Rummy Circle, then you can register and deposit 25 rupees, then you can get 15 rupees. You can say that you earn 15% profit. Okay, and if you talk about Upstroke, then you download, register, and complete your KYC. Then quickly you can earn 150 rupees. And overall, you can say that it's a very good app for earning, and you can earn your pocket. Okay, if you talk about refer and earn section, okay, this is your refer code, and if you want to earn through referral, then it's a very beneficial for you because through referral and earn every referral you can earn 100 points, as it's right for every friend who receive with Timor Raja using your referral code, you will receive 100 points, and it's not a delay. They have quickly worked, okay, and they have no any glitches, they have no any bad issue. If anyone uh, do successful login with your referral code, then definitely you can earn. Yeah, and if you talk about withdrawal section, then it's a very clear. If you talk about history section and if you talk about history section, both are same. But if you talk about coin history, whatever you are write down in there, and uh, whatever your withdrawal history, write down in there. And there are four options for withdrawal like Amazon Pay and Google Pay and PayPal and UPI. And I think it's the best option for this app, and it's very beneficial for you because if you talk about UPI system, it's a UPI system is very good, not a bad. Okay, and if you come now you come in reward section. We click in every follow for wow. Okay, when we click in reward Raja offer wall, then you can see they have loads of earning opportunities and earning tasks. But you have a time and patience, then you can done. Without patience and without time, you can't earn anything. And same thing happen with other apps. And I think they have in a Play Store 20, I think 20 to 30 apps like same thing. Okay, and now I live do any task like a stock grow. Okay, when we talk about task and I click in stock grow, there have some time and condition, and if if you do if you do whatever is written by line, then definitely you can earn. User download the app, user open the app first time, user registered on a app, registered counted the point. Let's we do. Okay, it's redirect on Play Store and you can download. Okay, I think it takes time, so we can see in claim points. Okay, they have some section like a giveaway code, and if you talk about giveaway code, and many users in nowadays They're not talking about giveaway code. If you claim giveaway code, then you first complete any playtime, then you apply this. Without playtime, you can't apply. Okay, I think your task is downloaded, so you can go in task section. Okay, take a time, so I wait. Okay, it's downloaded, so I can open. Okay, when we open get start, because I'm a new user, and we just type something like and send OTP. If you want to, then you can do wrong phone number and you come back. Okay, you directly you cut all things and redirect on reward run application. Okay, I think that it's offer take a time for verification. And nowadays, one more thing I tell you, playtime aids are not working because there are some glitches. You talk about AdSense offer, wow, then it's a working. Okay, it's a working, and are no any survey. They have some surveys, and if you complete survey, then you can earn point. Okay, and they have one more thing. Take on the challenge and win. And if you see your referral history, then you can see in there. Okay, so and if you want to log out, then click in log out, and yes, you redirect in your login page. Okay, bye.